What's happening there, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now on Sunday I went over to Tamworth. I was going to get some footage. By the time we finished dicking about, it got a bit dark. We went to the Tamworth tunnels. It was just pitch black. So today I'm in the ST. Fucking yes! I'm in the ST. So I took the ST to Tamworth. I thought I'd get some shots for you. I'm not in the pig. The pig fucking stay at home. So yeah, I'm in the ST. I'm gonna go get it cleaned. And I'll show you around it. I'll tell you what I've done. At the minute, it's running absolutely beautifully. Beautiful. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love being back in this car. It puts a massive smile on my face. So yeah, let's go. Right guys, so let me run through. Let me run through what has changed, other than the obvious. Obviously, a couple of weeks ago I told you I was going to Vicky's and I was going to pick up some bits. I didn't show you what those bits were, but obviously now it's a bit apparent that I picked up a set of really nice XXR 527s, the alloy wheels. I picked up a full stainless catback exhaust. No name on it, so I'd assume it's either a custom or the nameplate's come off. I don't know, but there's no name on it. But it's a really nice exhaust. What else have I done since it's been off? Wheel bearings have been done. Wheel bearings been done. I had the IMRC sorted. Crankcase breather hose has been replaced. It's had a full service. Spark plugs, HT leads, coil pack. Let me think. Gone through endless amounts of bits, but it's finally back on the road, and I couldn't be any happier. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Well, I've got my cat back on and some new sensors in the cat. So the Lambda and O2 sensor, they were a bit so they've been sorted out. And then Barry came round and lent me his OBD reader so I can clear the engine management light. I had 4 codes come up when I got back to using the car, spark plugs, and then the 2 lambda sensors and the IMRC came up, so that was an adventure in itself. But code's been off now since Friday last week, and it's now Friday, so in a week codes are gone, engine management light is off, everything is running sweet as a nut. I just fucking love this car. It's so nice to drive. Being an old car, it's just fun as well. I just miss this car. When I weren't in it, I just wanted to be in it. And what's even nicer is when you're driving a classic Ford, I know this isn't a classic yet, but you see less and less. Now that I'm driving it, when I do see a classic Ford, like Mark II Fiesta I saw earlier, we just both look, and I just look at his and he just looks at mine, and it's just really cool. When I go to the Auto Glim car wash up near me, really nice guys run it, and they do a really bloody good job washing your car. All of them came over. They're all coming out of fucking Gander, and they just love the car. Everyone loves this car. I fucking love this car. Granted, I've got a couple more bits to do. I still need to lower it. I need to refurb the wheels because I put them on. They're looking a bit battered, but they do need refurbing, so I'll get round to that. My clutch issue is really winding me up at the minute because it's not slipping like a normal clutch slip. It feels more like it's riding. But me and Gary, I'm texting Gary, and we're trying to think of what it could be, because the clutch has only done about 15,000 miles. It's had a clutch 15,000 miles ago, and it should last a lot longer than it has. So I still don't think it's the clutch. But fuck me, I love driving my ST. God, baby. Oh, fucking love it. Absolutely fucking love this car. Now that I've sorted most of the bits out, it's running sweet again. It's running absolutely beautifully. When it does slip, it slips for about 3 minutes, and then it's like it never slipped, and it's really weird. I'll get my head around it. I'll figure the fucker out. She's being a mouldy arse at times, but it's all right. I'm not feeling dishing out another 600 quid for another clutch. Not just yet, anyway. I think there's something else that's causing it to slip. Well, I don't even think it's slipping. I think it's riding. I think something's happening. But I'll figure it out. And when I do, I'll let you know. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think about the wheels. Let me know what you think about me being back in my ST. So I know a lot of people love these STs, and I'm one of them. It's one of them cars where you either love it or you hate it, and you got to put your research in to absolutely love it. You got to know what you're doing, so you're not spending fortunes at a garage. And you've got to be able to tell which one's a good one and which one's a shit one. Unfortunately, mine's a shit box, but I can do the work on it myself. So I don't give a fuck. If it's going to cost me $1,000, it'll cost me $1,000. But at least I can do it in parts, and I'll do it myself. Yeah, until the next time, guys, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the ST now it's back on the road. Then again, MOT's coming up this month. Let's see what happens with that one. Oh, you bastard. That's going to be fun. But it should be alright. Right. Till next time, guys. See you later.